All right, my people, welcome back onto this channel. Well, my people, this is another one reaching us right now onto this channel. Well, still on the matter, Yoruba Nation are going back, and exactly what it is. But onto this one, this is a great warning to all Yoruba Nation agitators out there. Yes, I stumbled on this video. As you can see, some men behind Mrs. Modupe Onitiri, and they were holding guns, ibon. And meanwhile, this set of people, the one at the middle, it was a video, but I just captured out the video. It's not an easy thing. As far as this Yoruba Nation movement is concerned, I think this is a delicate moment that everyone needs to be very careful. I know a lot of people are trying to do their best to make sure we get Yoruba Nation actualized, but there are some ways that some set of people are going about this which will not be allowed. Well, a lady just spoke about this, and then I think I still need to make it go viral because some people must have not seen the video. Yes, right now, our prayer is that by the time Yoruba Nation will be declared, every one of us will, by God's grace, be alive to witness it. And I say very big amen to that. Majority of people have actually suffered onto this movement. So that's a very great prayer. Well, let me continue. This set of men you are seeing behind Mrs. Modupe Onitiri, they claim to be Yoruba Nation agitators, but most definitely they are not in Nigeria. They shot this video, I'm very sure, somewhere outside Nigeria. And then the one at the middle actually said a lot of things about the fact that he is a military personnel where he is a Yoruba man, and then as he stands himself and his people, they are fully ready to storm Nigeria if they believe they can, according to him, that if the government believe they can maltreat or try to fight the Yoruba people, that he is a Yoruba Nation agitator, and he is fully ready to tackle anything because Yoruba Nation must be achieved. And then while he was saying all this, he was displaying the video. A lot of things were going on in this scene. And then, I was like, what exactly is going on? Because the situation to which Yoruba Nation movement is right now is not a situation whereby we will now be, making videos, showing weapons, which will not be tolerated. Because I don't see any reason why some people will come from nowhere and then try to come out, because the way I'm saying this is just like tarnishing the image of the great Yoruba Nation agitators. Because the Yorubas, we know they are not troublesome people. The rally had been peaceful. Even the mega rally will come peacefully. Nobody has said he will come out to say, oh, we are coming out with weapons. We'll be coming out with ammunitions that they cannot defeat us. Nobody has said that. And it's not in the idea of the Yoruba. Well, while watching this video, I noticed that this is not the time to be doing all this. This kind of video should not even surface online in the first place. If these people that have shot this video and they started posting it, I don't know, I'm very sure majority of you must have watched this video. This is not the time to be posting videos like this, because The federal government of Nigeria, we already know, they are they don't love the Yoruba people right now, simply because the Yorubas are trying to go their separate ways. So now I think showing out these videos will now try to implicate the Yoruba people the more. Whoever must have made this video, I think the person should, if the person is hearing me right now, should try as much as possible to delete this video, because the Yoruba people that I know will not come out at this time that everywhere is hot and make this kind of video that will implicate the great Yoruba people. No, 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 no. It's uncalled for. Because this kind of video is just to implicate issues, implicate the great Yoruba nation agitators. Because until this one now, the federal government will now capitalize on this. They will just capitalize on it. They will finalize that, oh, so this is what these people are up to. They want to fight Abi. They want to fight Abi. Of which this person that actually made this video, in the first place, I'm very sure this video is not made in Nigeria. The person might be a Yoruba person. Even if the person is a Yoruba person, I am very sure this person might be working for the Yoruba politicians or the federal government itself, just to tarnish the image of the great Yoruba nation agitators. Because you showcasing this kind of video, to me, is uncalled for. I don't know about other people, but with what I am saying right now, this is uncalled for. Because this one will cause more trouble. If at all you want to come out as a Yoruba nation agitator to like say, oh, you too, you are in support of Yoruba nation movement, that what is happening to your brothers in Nigeria you don't like, but you should not come out in this pattern, showing no weapons, showing guns, and rolling on the floor, gathering yourselves together that you are for Yoruba nation, you want to fight for the people. The question right now is that at the end of it all, if this now go wrong, if all this go wrong, will you be able to come out to say you want to defend the Yoruba people on this one? That's where the problem is. Because I see no reason why you will be making this kind of video. Or are you trying to tell us that that place that you are a first man and you are a Yoruba man that want to fight for the people? You might want to say, oh, you want your people to know that you are somewhere, working with them, that they should not be scared or they should be relaxed. But one thing I will advise you is that this kind of video is not the kind of video we should show to the world. In fact, this is not even the time to be making videos like this to the world to see that, oh, you are a first man representing Yoruba people. Now the Yoruba people can deny that. In fact, they are denying you already, that they don't know you. They did not send you all these ones you are doing. Who did you contact before you started showcasing your weapons as a military man to the whole world that you are a Yoruba person? I think everybody at this junction needs to be very, very careful in the kind of video we make. Because this video right now had gone viral. Only God knows the number of people that had watched this video. But thank God I was able to come across this video, and then I noticed that it's not the right thing to do at this time. At all, it's not the right thing to do at this time. Well, meanwhile, majority of people have actually reacted in different manners on this one. I'll just read out some of their comments so that you know that people are not actually happy with the situation. I thought it was only me that was reasoning in that manner, but a lot of people actually reacted in different manners on this one. All right, according to CG, that's the name, it says, well, some groups outside Yoruba Nation might have done that to implicate Yoruba Nation movement. You see, and exactly what we are talking about. Who are those groups that are doing this to implicate your own people? Too bad. Well, according to Mom Mohit, it says it is possible that this video is to implicate themselves, not us. Yoruba nation is here to stay and be forever. A kú ìgbáradì òmìnira ilẹ̀ Yorùbá lórúkọ Jésù. We will all get to the promised land hearty, hail and healthy with praises on our lips. Say amen to that. Yeah, so and then according to Akinlolu Akinlade, he says for such video anybody can come up with a video to cause confusion. How are you sure the video is not made by Nigerian government? Whatever the case, it is too late for Nigeria to stop us. Yoruba nation struggles have been or since 2 years, and then the whole world know about the struggle has been peaceful. This is government propaganda and it cannot hold water. Yoruba nation unstoppable. All right. I think I love all these comments. Yoruba nation unstoppable. Yeah, my people, and exactly what we are talking about. Why would somebody come out with such a video just to cause trouble? Because somebody in his right senses will not come out knowing fully well that you are not even in Nigeria. So you want to implicate the people there. At the end of it all, they will deny it. But this is exactly what we have seen so far. And the majority of people are not happy with the situation. Well, Yoruba Nation movement, everyone needs to be very, very careful. And exactly what it is right now, my people. Onto this one, what more can we say? Meanwhile, let me have your own take on this, and remember to subscribe for more updates if you are new on this channel. All right, thanks and God bless.